Drones, robots, home and factory automation, LiDAR, and other 3D sensing applications can offer more precise and accurate mapping by increasing the performance and efficiency of their laser diodes. ams OSRAM SPL PL90AT03, available from Mouser Electronics, is a 75-watt edge-emitting pulsed laser diode in a cost-effective radial plastic package that is suitable for high-volume, cost-sensitive applications. It has a narrow 110 micron aperture that is 50% smaller than its predecessor. The narrow aperture and 12 by 25 degree beam divergence allow for simplified optical design for a lower system cost. The SPL PL90AT03 can produce laser pulses from 1 to 100 nanoseconds, producing its peak 75 watt output in a 30 nanosecond pulse with a 25 amp maximum forward current. It features a 905 nanometer peak wavelength with a typical spectral bandwidth of just 5 nanometers.